Guys, being a student is very hard because most times you may need money and it might not really be available the time you need it. So if you're a student and you want to make extra money to be able to stay financially independent while you school, then you might want to check out the jobs I'm about to mention. Now, the best part about this job is that you can always do them with your phone. So even if you don't have any laptop, you don't need to worry about these jobs. So all you have to do is just take action after this video so you can start earning money. Now, but before we go into the video, if you're seeing this channel for the first time, I've been working from home for the past 3 years and I share my tips, my experiences, the jobs I know on this channel so you know where to get started. So if it's something you're interested in, please don't fail to like and subscribe to be part of our growing community. So that being said, the first one we want to talk about is being a mystery shopper. This is for people that love to shop or love running errands. You can typically do this job when you are at your break or you have a free time to spare. Then you can quickly go to the store and make reviews about products that you may find in the stores. Typically, all you have to do is just give feedback on what you think about the products once you have finished checking them out in the stores. So to get started, you can download apps like Be My Eye, Field Agent, or Gig Work to be able to get started. On the average, you can earn anywhere from $3 to $20 per task doing this job. So you might want to check out these platforms, have them in your phone to get started. Now, the second job you might want to consider is something that is not really common in Africa, but outside of Africa, Europe, and America, this is very common, and that is walking dogs. Now, people need people that can help them walk their dog, especially people that are busy and they're not always available to walk their dogs, to help the dog stay fit. So this is a very lucrative thing for students. You can easily do this quickly because walking dog can take anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes and you're done and quickly go back to whatever you need to do. And you can get started by downloading apps like Rover or Wag to be able to get started walking people dogs and be making money, and anywhere from $15 to $30 per walk depending on the clients you're going to be working with. So you might want to check that out if you're a student. And the third job you might want to consider is doing micro tasks. This is something that is very helpful because you can quickly do this at any time, and these micro tasks include helping to train AI, doing image labeling, data annotation, and stuff like that for companies that are always looking for people to come and do this. And typically you can find these jobs on places like Clickworker, Remote Task, Append, and there is Hive Micro as well, where you can find these jobs and you can get started doing the job. In addition, you can find surveys as well that you can do on this platform, and on the average you can earn anywhere from 1 cent to $5 per task doing these jobs. So you might want to consider it by checking out these platforms. So the next one is for people that speak 2 or more languages. You can actually make money by translating 2 or more languages with your phone. With platforms like Steppies, all you have to do is just to download the app in your phone, sign up to get started doing the job. So you're going to be translating one language to the other by using the app on your phone. So typically, if you're a bilingual person, you might want to check it out. On the average, you can earn anywhere from 30 cents to 12 cents per word on this platform. And if you're consistent with using this platform, you can earn $100 to $300 monthly by using your phone to translate languages. So if it's something you're interested in, you might want to download the Steppies app to get started doing this job. So the next job we want to talk about is paid surveys and app testing. Now this is very important because there are some apps that are centered on students, like the target audience are students. In the same way, there are some surveys that students are the target audience to carry them out. So they will be needing students to be able to come on board to do this job. And if you have your phone, if it's something you're interested in, you can get started by downloading the apps of usertesting.com if you're interested in doing app testing, or you can download Swagbox app or Toluna app or even PoolPay app to be able to get started doing surveys and be making money from the comfort of your home. Now the amount you're going to earn varies depending on the task you're doing. So on the average, you can make anywhere from 25 cents to $10 per task doing this job, and if you're consistent, you can be making anywhere from $200 to $300 a month doing this job. And the best thing about all the jobs that I've mentioned so far is the fact that you don't need any degree or tons of experience or to be highly skilled to be able to do the job. So they are all suitable for students. Now, but before we continue, if you're looking to make application anytime soon, you might want to grab our 12-in-1 application bundle that we have prepared that you can customize for each job to be able to stand a better chance to make your application fast and easy and stand a better chance of getting invited for interviews. So it's going to prepare you from the process of looking for job to the process of preparing for interview. So you might want to check it out with the link in the description below. And if you've seen value so far, please don't fail to like and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate you all for your support. So the last one I want to talk about is for people that love moderating chats, or people that love social media. You like scrolling on social media. Instead of wasting your time scrolling and consuming content, why not make money while you're on social media by moderating chats for groups and pages? So basically all you have to do is make sure that every rule that has been set to guide the way people use these pages and groups are being followed. You make sure you remove sensitive content that people may have put, or you'll be able to guide people on what to do and what not to do. So these are basically all you have to do. And if you're interested in doing this job, you can go to Mod Squad to become a mod and work freelance from wherever you are by moderating chats on that platform. And on the average, you can earn anywhere from $10 to $20 per hour doing this job. And if you're very good at your job, you can be earning anywhere from $200 to $800 per month doing this job. So if it's something you're interested in, do well check out modsquad.com, register, become a mod, and you'll be getting jobs once you're qualified to do them. So I hope this video was helpful. If you're looking for other remote jobs, check out this video showing on your screen. Please don't fail to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.